Hi boys and girls, today we are going to say a nursery rhyme. Nursery rhymes are fun little stories that have lots of rhyming words. Remember, rhyming words are words that sound the same at the end of the word. This one is a really fun nursery rhyme. So it's called Little Miss Muffet. Maybe you've heard of it before. If not, let's say it and you can learn it with me. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. So let's say that one, and I've got some little figures to help us remember it. Little Miss Muffet, there she is, sat on a tuffet, it's like a little stool, eating her curds and whey, kind of like oatmeal. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Oh no, the spider scared her away. Let's try that again. Take the pieces off. Okay, here it goes. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. So in our nursery rhyme, did you hear some rhyming words? Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet. Did you hear that? Muffet, tuffet. Eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside her. Spider, beside her, and frightened Miss Muffet away. So hopefully you like this nursery rhyme, Little Miss Muffet, and you can practice saying it over and over again and pay attention to those rhyming words you hear. See you next time.